Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Xiaomi Redmi 12C. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. First thing we got to do is make sure the phone is off, and it is off. And also before I forgot to mention, when you guys do a hard reset, you will delete everything off the phone. So if anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. It's got to be like your only option. So just to give you guys that heads up. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, we got a ton more of these hard resets coming up. So if you want to see something special, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, let's get back right into this. First thing we're going to do is make sure it's off, and it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. We want to hold volume up. So I'm going to hold volume up first, then hit power. And as soon as the phone turns on, you can let go of power by keep holding volume up. All right, there we go. So we're in the recovery menu. You want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select. And we want to scroll down to wipe data, hit the power button. And then wipe all data, hit the power button. And then confirm, hit the power button. Now it's deleting. Now it's done. And we're going to hit the power button to go back to the main menu, and then we can reboot. And we want to reboot to system. And when you reboot it, it'll just load to the welcome screen, and you can set up the phone how it was when it was new, but with everything off the phone. And this is how we do a hard reset on a Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.